Away they go. Dazzling cat from the outside. Lovely Tara Bearcat. On the further outside, running down on the inside is entry number 4, Federal Court Sugar Daddy. Alongside is 2A Ribaldo. Then here comes Dayang Dayang. Perfect time is running fourth last for a Incorruptible. King's Crown Torasura is the early trailer. Dazzling Cat, Dayang Dayang, Sugar Daddy, Lovely Tara Racing Port alongside is Birdcat. 2A Ribaldo is racing in 6, running down in 7 is Perfect Time. Rounding the far turn, Dazzling Cat, Sugar Daddy, Dayang Dayang. And on the outside, Lovely Tara, Perfect Time down on the inside. Alongside is 2A Ribaldo. Last 450 and going to the final corner. It's now Perfect Time. Dazzling Cat, Lovely Tara, Incorruptible down on the inside. Entering the last 200, Dazzling Cat at the center. 2A Ribaldo is on the outside. Perfect Time, Lovely Tara, Incorruptible. 2A Ribaldo, Lovely Tara. And here in the finish line, Ribaldo, Lovely Tara. And finally, 2A Ribaldo, Lovely Tara, Dazzling Cat. 2 Perfect Time, King's Crown, Incorruptible, Dayang Dayang, Birdcat, Torasura, Sugar Daddy, and Federal Court comes last.